When a crime involves a weapon, it makes everyone nervous, including the judges and the DAs. You have to understand the judges are elected officials, so are DAs, and it's a political position. The last thing they want is to work out a deal with a guy who was caught with God knows how much weapons. They give him probation, and that guy next week goes and does a terrorist attack or something really bad. It will be all over the news that this judge and this DA let him go. So yes, when weapons are involved, the judges and the DAs walk on an eggshell, and they try to make sure that if they're cutting a deal which doesn't send the guy away to a long term of incarceration, they have good reasons for it. The weapon charges are also very beatable if not prosecuted properly. So for instance, we had a case a few months ago out of Victorville. Our client was at the gas station. Another person comes to the gas station. There's the exchange a couple of words. He leaves. The other guy calls the police and says, hey, this guy, this African-American guy, got out of the car, starts saying F you, pulled up his shirt, and he had a handgun. And our client was charged. The case got dismissed because at court, the DA couldn't prove whether that was really a gun or was it a toy. What was it? What did it look like? What was it that the guy saw and how well they saw it? But our client faced a lot of stress over it. So yes, when weapons are involved in crimes, everyone is more nervous. Everyone wants to make sure they cross the T's, dot the I's, so that later on they are not blamed. In my career, I have handled well over 100 crimes involving weapons, probably well over 200 of drugs involving weapons, because that happens a lot these days. A search warrant is executed, the deputies arrive at the house, and invariably there's a revolver there or some kind of old weapon there. So they are a good part of our practice.